Hi everyone! This is a video for adults and caregivers so you can get some tips on how to do story time at home. At the library, we're working on getting together some story time at home kits so that you can use that with these tips. Tip number 1. Find a comfortable place. Story time doesn't need to be formal. You can be on the couch, in the bed, on a pillow, or even in the bathtub. Number 2. Allow your child to hold something. Whether it's a stuffed animal or a toy that doesn't make much noise, or a snack. Children have a hard time sitting still without moving their bodies, and this will help out with that. Number 3, never force a book on your child. If a child seems uninterested in a book, that's okay. They don't need to enjoy every book that they read, and they shouldn't be expected to want to read all the time. Sometimes they're just not interested. Number 4, don't fight the distractions. Use the distractions. Instead of trying to get your child to not notice the dog or the fire truck, try to utilize it in your discussion. Number 5, if your child is starting to recognize letters, have him or her find the letters of his name and try to focus on just one letter at a time for the younger children. If your child is in the beginning stages of reading, pick one word that the child can recognize, like dog, and read a book that uses that word frequently, like Go Dog Go, and have your child be the one who reads the word dog each time it appears. Number 6, choose a letter to focus on. Say that you're reading about food. Focus on the letter F. What sound does the letter F make? What are some other words that start with that sound? Number 7, have fun. Reading time should be a fun experience for the whole family. Get up, dance, sing, be silly. Your child will have lots of memories of reading time being an enjoyable experience. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and hopefully we will be able to have story time together again soon. Bye.